Dr. Zacco. I'd like to discuss with you what anti-aging medicine is. Anti-aging, functional, and integrative medicine are similar philosophies of medical treatments that combine traditional and non-traditional medical care to best serve patients. Many times patients become very frustrated when they are told nothing's wrong with them, and they continue to find dead ends trying to find answers to the symptoms that they have to endure. Anti-aging educational seminars are not heavily subsidized by pharmaceutical companies, so physicians are exposed to different ways of diagnosing and treating the human condition. I have been board certified in family practice since 1996, but in 2007 I discovered a new approach to medical diagnosis and treatment to be profoundly enlightening and useful in the care of my patients. So, in 2009, after taking the written and oral exam from the ABAARM, American Board of Anti-Aging and Rejuvenative Medicine, I was the first certified anti-aging physician in Wake County, Durham County, Orange County, and many surrounding counties. I thoroughly enjoy the practice of anti-aging medicine because it is so rewarding for my patients and myself. In future videos, I'll review the diagnosis and treatment for individual symptoms listed prior. I'm Dr. Arthur Zacco. Thank you for listening.